Take command of the road in the 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, front fog lights, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.